All right, say hello.
Hello.
Do it again. Say hello.
Hello.
All right. And let's hear your car alarm. Do your car alarm. That last part really gets me. But that's not funny, okay? It hurts my ears. Oh, Corbell. All right, so Corbell can talk. And when she does not use her beak. They need their beak for so many things, but not for talking. And believe it or not, she doesn't even use her tongue. We need our tongues for letters of the alphabet, right? Like T. Can you say T?
T.
And what letter do you need for your lips? How about B? Good, good. When parrots talk, they don't use their beak at all. In fact, they don't even use their tongue. Parrots use their throat to make the words and sounds that we hear. So you can really appreciate how hard it must be now that I told you how they do it. So, want to say your name?
Corbell.
Okay, Corbell. Let's hear some animal sounds. Let's do a rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo. A cat. A dog. Coyote. Let's clap for those animal sounds. Good job. This is what I love about this show. We can entertain the adults and the kids, right? How many people can do that? It's not the people, it's the birds. I realize that. Okay, how about some coughing? And a sore throat? It's a sore throat, you guys. Come on. That's it, huh? Oh, you're going to sing? How nice. A little opera for everybody. Let's give her some applause. Good job, good job.